It's a good idea to buy your kid a phone. You can communicate whenever the need arises, and that's necessary when you are away. The problem is that you don't know where the child goes and they don't tell every time. So after buying an iPhone for them, you may require to track it and also know what's happening. Is there any recommendable tracker that can keep you updated at all times? To answer the question, we have the top 6 phone trackers to track my child iPhone by phone number. They will be updating you remotely and your kid will never know that they are present. Here's an overview of how they function and what you need to make them work. Spike iPhone Tracker. Number 1, cell phone tracker. If you want to track child's iPhone by phone number with Spike, then that is very easy. You only need to set up an account on Spike's website and then use the iCloud ID to track the phone. That excludes the need for download installation. It's also safe to use in the sense that it does not need jailbreak. Therefore, it will take you less than 5 minutes to acquire it and start tracking the phone. The extreme ease of use has caused millions of Spike downloads in more than 190 countries. People have also read about it on new outlets such as Android Authority and LifeWire. It's compatible with iOS version 7.0 and above. After the account creation and Apple ID verification, the tracking will also happen online. Spike will show you the real-time location and history of all the previously visited places. Since it's the child involved, you may want to restrict movements. This app will help in that via the geofencing feature. It allows you to set up the areas you don't want the child to visit. You also give the specifications and email to alert you when your child goes to those places. That sounds like a fun way to bust your kid when they least expect it. Now that spying is using iCloud to track the iPhone. That means it's not on the phone. It also implies there will be no detection whatsoever, hence the complete stealth mode. It can also track other things such as calls, SMS and browsing history. So you should check the main website to read more about its capabilities. When it comes to data protection, Spike is also responsible for that. It does that by syncing the data from the iCloud when you log in. Therefore, nothing is stored when you leave the account. In your account, you get a user-friendly dashboard that is fully compatible with all browsers. That makes it easy for you to track your child at home, in the office or during vacation. The only thing you need is an internet-enabled device to access the tracking details. How to track my child's iPhone using Spike solution? Step 1. Visit the Spike's website and register an account there. After that, select the Apple icon and proceed to purchase one of the subscription plans. Step 2. You will later receive a confirmation email with details about the transaction and the setup. Once you see it, go ahead and log into your account. Verify the iCloud ID of your kid's phone and proceed to select it as you fill other vital information. Step 3. Wait for the syncing to complete between Spike's cloud and the iPhone's iCloud. After that, the dashboard will appear with the phone summary. There will be some information about the phone's location. To track it accurately, click on the location link on the menu to see the full map. If you want to impose restrictions, use the geofencing option.